Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get free video editors for PC. There are different ways through which you can get the video editors, and most of them will be free. So, the number one way is to download it through the Microsoft Store, and the second one is downloading from their website. So, in this video, I'll give you the three best free video editors that you can get into your PC and you can edit videos with it. First, I'm going to take you to Microsoft Store. It is available in every PC. You just have to simply search for Microsoft Store. You will get it. Once it gets open, you have to search for Clipjam. This is an official video editor by Microsoft itself. You just have to simply click onto its get option. And after that, its downloading will start. Once it get downloaded, then you will be able to use it. Microsoft Clipchamp is totally free. You just have to simply sign up using your Microsoft account and you will be able to use it. Microsoft Clipchamp is 100% free and you don't even have to pay a single penny to use it. You just have to simply sign up using your Microsoft account. If you don't have the Microsoft account, then you cannot sign up. So for that, you have to get it. The other software is the CapCut. As we all know, this comes actually free and paid both, but you can just simply download it and use it for free. Some of its feature will be paid, so for that you have to get subscription. Otherwise, all of the basic and essential video editing can be done for free. Just simply install it, and this interface you will see. Click on create a new project, import all your videos, music, elements, text, whatever you would like, and edit your videos. Then the next is one called Filmora. This is by Wondershare. It is available on Microsoft Store. You can just simply search for it, get it. It is also 100% free. Just simply download it. Once the downloading gets done, this is how it will look. You can import all of your stuff and start video editing. So that's how you can get free video editors for PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.